Two children after firefighters say a candle lit after the storms tried to keep a family, I guess, out of the dark and could be to blame for a deadly house fire. Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Bob Clausen.
And I'm Ashley Ketz. While there was damage due to powerful winds in these storms, there were also 2 deaths because of fire. It happened in Sparkman down in Dallas County. KERK4's Hubert Tate went to the small town and he has reaction from the boys' parents. How are they doing, Hubert?
Well, Ashley, they're doing okay. When I met with Bobby and Tia King this afternoon, they were obviously very upset as well. But behind those tears are great memories of their sons. 3-year-old Jay Sean and his brother, 2-year-old Trey Sean, perished in the fire. Dallas County deputies say after strong storms knocked out power to the area, the family lit a candle. They thought they put it out before going to sleep, but investigators say it was still burning. The family was able to get out with their 12-year-old daughter. However, the 2 youngest did not.
Tried to look through all the rest of the rooms in the house, but they weren't saying nothing.
Well, I asked God for them, and he blessed me with them. But when he blessed me with them, he didn't tell me how long I was going to have them.
The parents say they are now focusing on cherishing the lives of their young sons. By the way, the Red Cross is on scene helping the family move forward.
Hubert, thank you very much. A power outage hitting people